this is day technically 2 on our Iceland Summer Escape with EF Ultimate Break. I look like this because on day 1 we flew to Iceland. We got into Iceland at about 6:30 a.m. Our flight from North Carolina was at 8:30 p.m. It was only about a 6-hour flight, and we got in at about 6:30 a.m. Iceland time. We got picked up at the airport. We came back to the hotel, which was about 45-minute drive, and then our rooms weren't ready, so we waited for everyone else to arrive. We did a little walking tour. It was really windy, hence this, and we did some shopping and got some snacks, got some alcohol because everything in Iceland is expensive, so we decided we were gonna drink at the hotel instead of like going out to a bar tonight. So we got some alcohol, and now it is 3:30. Check-in was at 3, and we're back at the hotel. We're gonna shower, change, and get ready for our welcome dinner. Hi guys, it is day 3 for our Iceland Summer Escape with EF Ultimate Break. I am super excited today because this is our first full day. We went to sleep last night, woke up, we're in Reykjavik, and we're gonna go explore. I'm not even gonna try and pronounce the things that we're going to see, because if you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I'm just terrible with pronunciation. Speech therapy didn't work all the way, so not gonna try that. But we're gonna go see some beautiful landscapes, waterfalls. We're gonna go to this super famous tomato restaurant in Iceland, and then we're going to get back to the hotel around 4 o'clock. It's almost 8 o'clock now. We're gonna get on the bus at 8:30, so we'll be gone for most of the day, get home at 4 p.m. and then we're gonna kind of shower, or maybe not. We're gonna relax, and then we're going to get ready to go to the Sky Lagoon. That's something that I really wanted to do on my own, but everyone else in our group decided they also wanted to go, including our tour director. So we're all gonna go together, and that's kind of how we're gonna spend our evening. So yeah, can't wait.
Now you're in the greenhouse where we grow the cherry tomatoes or the piccolo tomatoes.
Wow, that's pretty neat.
It tastes better with alcohol. Hi guys, welcome back. It is day 4 with EF Ultimate Break for their Iceland Summer Escape trip, and we are about to have a really long day. We're gonna go see, I'm once again not gonna try and pronounce any of this stuff, but we're gonna go see more beautiful landscapes, some waterfalls. I'll write everything to the side of me so that you can look them up for yourself because, again, not gonna pronounce them correctly. And then I know we're gonna get lunch. We'll get to the bus. It's about 7:30 now. We're gonna get on the bus at 8 a.m. and then we'll get back to the hotel around 6 for a free evening. I think this is the day that everyone's gonna, go out to eat, maybe get a drink or two because they're really expensive, so like 1 drink limit. And then, then we'll probably come home, sleep, and that'll be our day. I can't wait. We are on day 5 of our EF Summer Escape to Iceland. We have a free morning until about 1 o'clock, and that's when we go to the Blue Lagoon. So right now we're gonna just do some shopping and maybe get some food and just kind of explore until we have our Blue Lagoon, and then we're gonna have our farewell dinner. We have loved this tour so far. I'm glad we have a mostly free day tomorrow before we have to go to the airport. But all right, let's go. I forgot to do an intro video for our last day, but we got up around 8, and at 9 we walked to Rainbow Road to get some pictures without a lot of people. Oh my god, this is so good. I wish we could come here every day, oh my god. And then we spent the rest of our day eating all around Reykjavik. Originally, Jesse wanted to get a tattoo, but the shop we went to was overcharging him, so we decided to just eat our hearts out until our transfer to the airport at 1 p.m.